Okay, we're just getting in these exclusive visuals of the moment right after the attack. And as you can see, they're understandably so. You know, the entire family are extremely worried, visibly upset and hassled and anxious. Kareena Kapoor Khan walking up and down. Vishal is there with me. So these are the exclusive visuals. And she's obviously trying to, just get things in order after her husband, Saif Ali Khan, was attacked and injured during the robbery attempt at their Bandra residence in Mumbai. In fact, he has also suffered some serious injuries in a confrontation involving a knife. He was stabbed 6 times, according to the Leelavati hospital, and 2 wounds, in fact, are very deep, and for that, he is undergoing surgery. So, as you can see there, the visuals there, and on very expected lines, a worried wife, Kareena Kapoor Khan, trying to get things in order, trying to settle things, and she's seen speaking to some other ladies who are there in those visuals, and visibly perturbed with the incident and the attack that has happened on her husband. Vishal, I wanted to ask you, we're just showing our viewers the exclusive visuals of Kareena walking up and down, looking extremely hassled and, on expected lines. I mean, this is a harrowing moment for the family members. Can you tell us who rushed Saif Ali Khan to the hospital and any updates on who this person was who attacked the actor?
Well, we yet to know about who actually attacked him, but Saif Ali Khan's son Ibrahim Ali Khan rushed actor to the hospital along with the house help around 3 a.m. in the morning, and they reached hospital by 3:30 a.m. That's what we know. And talking about the visuals of Kareena Kapoor, this clearly means that Kareena was at home or around home when this incident took place, because there have been conflicting reports about Kareena was partying last night, which clearly doesn't seem like as going by the visual that is given to us by Viral Bhayani. Also, I have to say that, the Saif Ali Khan is somebody who have attacked in the past as well, not by an intruder, at a party many years ago in the 90s in Gurgaon.
Oh, really?
So, I mean, there's a concern about... I just want to say Bollywood is in shock. I was talking to a couple of producers from a filmmaker, and they were all concerned, and they were saying it's too early for us to react, but we are only praying for Saif Ali Khan's speedy recovery. Chiranjeevi, I'm told, has been tweeted. Pooja Bhatt has expressed his concern. So has many others.
And what have you heard from either Saif Ali Khan's team or Kareena Kapoor Khan's team? I have only read the official statement from Leelavati Hospital. I can understand, they have requested for privacy. It is a disturbing time. And what about the surgery? Vishal, is the surgery still on, or has the surgery gotten over?
I think when doctor spoke to us, he actually has done the surgery, and there have been conflicting reports. We yet to hear from the hospital if there's also a plastic surgery which is also being done. There have been several reports, but we are looking forward and waiting for hospital to respond with another official statement. We're also waiting for family members like Kareena Kapoor to turn up at the hospital. I think they all are concerned right now. So is Sara Ali Khan, his daughter. Like I said, we know that Ibrahim Ali Khan brought his father to the hospital last night, and the kids Kareena and Taimur and Jay are safe. There have also been reports that intruder first wanted to attack the room of the kids, and Saif Ali Khan saved everybody, saved his family.
Oh gosh, and that's so disturbing to hear. I mean, even as a mother of children myself, I can't even imagine the horror that the family must have gone through, and Saif, sustaining those injuries. But the relief, Vishal, is that the children are safe, they are unharmed. But I can imagine how distressing it is for the rest of the family members, for the colleagues in the fraternity, and even for the close ones of Saif Ali Khan. Also, what about the investigations? What are you hearing from the police? I believe that an FIR has been registered. Have they been able to find any leads? Who all are they questioning?
But right now, I've been told they've been questioning 3 persons from his staff and from the security of the building. So we yet to know how the investigation goes and what police will say. We probably will come to know in an hour or so. But Mumbai police is a competent police. It's one of the finest in the world. So we know that they will of course reach the conclusion and catch the intruder or the person who's responsible for this. But the big concern is, how can somebody enter a high-profile building and attack a movie star, A-lister really? That is something need to be discussed Yeah.
Okay, Vishal, just stay on with me. Obviously, Bollywood is in shock. Every fan of Saif Ali Khan is in shock. It is an audacious attack in which the actor has sustained 6 stabs and some grievous injuries for which he's undergoing surgery presently at the Leelavati hospital. But this attack has triggered a lot of reactions. Let's listen in to what noted author Shobha Dey and a noted filmmaker Ashok Pandit had to say about the attack on Saif Ali Khan.